welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel your Hulu subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is open a web browser and tap open your Hulu app. So you can simply open your Hulu app from your mobile app, or you can open it in your website. So once it is open, you need to get signed in and tap on your profile on the top right hand side of the corner. Then simply go in the account section, and once you're in the account section, you need to scroll down and find your subscription methods. So there you can find an option called cancel subscription. So there you need to simply tap on the cancel option right besides it. So once you tap on it, you will be given some reasons why you should not skip or cancel your subscription. However, you can simply tap on the continue to cancel option, and once you do this, you need to now give reason why you want to cancel your subscription. After you have given a certain reason, you can simply tap on this cancel subscription option. Once it is done, you will be successful in canceling your Hulu subscription. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Till then, thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon.